Hey guys, today we are actually going to be opening a mystery box. I've already opened it because I just got it, So first one is Kevin No. Any problems, contact here please. Leave postage feedback if slime is straight. Add activator. Comes with activator. Okay, I'm just I actually bought this off eBay, didn't I, man? This is actually like so good. Oh, you can't see. Let me just get this off. Here you go. It's so good. Let's try and make a bubble. It actually works as well. Oh my god. If you're new, like and subscribe because I will be doing more videos like this. I really like them. It's really sticky, so I'll get on to the next one. I don't know what the next one is. It's kind of a really small box. Let's add some activator. Oh. I know if I did a bit too much. You're about to fall over, so I'm going to fix you in a minute. I get this sticky stuff off my hand. It's going to take me about an hour to do this. Okay, I'm just going to wash my hands in my face because I really don't know what to do. This is already cheap and it was on the pound. Ah! Oh. No guys, this is turning out to be really bad. No. Put the lid back on it. I'm going to activate that in a minute. It's been on for 2 minutes already. And we've only got through this. Oh. I'm going to wash my hands. Okay, I am back. Got 2 more slides to go. This is extra so we can make foam slime.
If you turn that off and wait for the water to get up, I've got to clean up.
Oh, camera's gone low. Okay. This back in. Put this one back in. What should I do? This is all it came with, and that. Pretty good. I really like this one because it's not as sticky. And the slime I'm going to play with now, I'm going to actually activate it. Oh no. Try and get this onto the table. This is 4 of these in here, like 4 of these, but hasn't been on. Get it out of the way, because the lid cannot be fixed. Is it any crunchier? You guys can see if it is any crunchier. Oh! I'm gonna. Sorry for the news in the background. I wanna be like all the time. I'm gonna wash my hands again. Okay, I'm gonna add some activator onto this. I really don't know where this came from. It's actually getting really better. I'm actually going to keep this activator thing. Trying to put back in the time to wash my hands.
How much is this about the wall bleach?
Okay, I'm back. I think we got one more. I'm ready. Very sticky. That duck. There's like a duck in this. It's going to say next on the list. Before I touch this, I'm going to activate it. We're just going to do it with the other ones first. Oh, it's, I think it's a piece of paper. Yep, it's a piece of paper. Come on. I think they've made these because I think got a lot of them in this one. I've made a little sprinkle on top of it. I think this one's going to be the stickiest. And we might add some of these into them. Not sticking. Time to get out and mix it. I think I'm actually going to add some of these in. Oh. So, it does not work. Looks like 10 seconds. Oh, it's back later. Actually, I'm not good. This one might be. I might mix it in with that other one. Okay. I'm gonna get this box.
We're pushing down the door. Okay. Punch all the faces for a cut. get a little place and punch you in for a right good. Good nice in. Give your place a good little punching. Good if I give your face a little punching, wouldn't it? Eh?
So do like a lottery now.
You have to have a day off school, help the mystery box you did.
Okay. Add 1, 2.
Good gypsy out, yeah, I'll have to have a day off school.
Okay, everything. It's like jelly cubes. I'm gonna get it out of that. Still sticky. I keep playing with this kind of slime. I'll put that in there. Add another one just for satisfaction. Add another one. No, that's not me.
Gypsy Kira have a day off school, Gypsy Kira have a day off school.
Gone.
Gypsy Shakira, Shakira. Gypsy Shakira, Shakira. Gypsy Shakira, Shakira.
Extras. It says
Did you know
extras.
Gypsy Shakira could dance like that?
Someone made this
She
one.
makes it almost look Spanish.
Actually getting my sticky.
Gypsy Shakira, Shakira.
Oh yeah, this one really not really keeps.
Oh, when Gypsy Shakira talks like that.
Okay. So yeah, jelly keeps. Let's turn up to B. I bet you can get a gun. Oh, the duckling. Here you go. There's a duckling. You can be free back into your nest. I've got jelly slime right here. I got this. Even though I don't think it's that big. Oh, wrong phone. That is not great. I'm using my hips now. I'm putting some tight on this table. Good fire, it's got the light on.
Gypsy Shakira.
Okay, that's all we got through with
Never
there.
know Gypsy Shakira
So,
could dance like that.
Bye.
Gypsy Shakira make a man